To begin, click on Settings and then select Machines. Next, click the green New Machine button. Start by entering a name. Choose something that's easy to recognize, for example, coffee machine, lobby, first floor. You can also use internal codes or serial numbers if that's how your machines are identified. The goal is simple. The name should help you quickly understand which machine it is. Next, select the manufacturer and optionally add the model name. This makes it easier to filter and find machines later, especially if you manage a larger fleet. Now choose the machine type. Keep in mind, if you select a snack machine, you won't be able to assign composite products or drinks, and vice versa. Under Telemetry Unit, select one of your Vendon IoT devices and assign it to the machine. By default, VBox will be named after its 15-digit IMEI number. Then choose the location from the list you created earlier. Under Product List, you can either upload a pre-made planogram or copy products from an existing machine. Once everything is set, click Save. Your machine is now ready to be managed in Vendon Cloud.